Want to actually feel your music? Here's a quick 60-second guide to Enable Music Haptics on iPhone. First, unlock your iPhone, then open the Settings app from the home screen. Scroll and tap Sounds and Haptics to open sound settings. Scroll down gently until you find the Music Haptics option. If it's missing, make sure your iPhone is on the latest iOS via General then Software Update. Tap the Music Haptics toggle to turn it on, it will show green when enabled. Now open Apple Music and play a track with bass or clear percussion to test. You should feel subtle, timed haptic pulses that match the song's rhythm. To fine-tune the sensation, check System Haptics or Accessibility Haptic settings. Using headphones? Verify any headphone haptics or audio settings are enabled as well. If vibrations aren't working, restart your iPhone and ensure Do Not Disturb or Silent Mode is off. That's it, enjoy tactile music on your iPhone. Follow us for more quick tips.